guys, boom, we're starting a new vlog. Today is a new day. Yeah, you know what we say, pretty badness outside. A long time I said that to some besides, so when I turn on my vlog again, would I definitely make sure someone say it. Anyway, big up all my pretty girls and big up all my Amor Nation people them. To all my new subscribers, hey, if you're new here, and to all of my OGs them, big up on yourself. I don't know the thing come down. Anyway, it's I think my last vlog, y'all guys saw me at the concert, the No Signal Festival concert. Alright, so it's probably like a day after or 2 days after. So we're gonna continue the vlog today, and we are going to go on the road. I need to stop at the pharmacy. What we're actually going to do today is go to my friend's place to visit her. I haven't seen my friend in a minute, so I'm gonna go to visit them. I don't really know if I'm gonna vlog much of that. I'm going to their house, and you know, not everybody into this, you know, internet thing, so I don't really know if they're going to want to come on camera, and I also don't know if I'm going to really vlog much in other people in private space. But I just have to learn that from now. But that's really why I am ready, and that's what I am going to do. And then I don't know what else I have planned for the day. My entire plan was just based off going to Lime Key, but that not record. So let's go. I'll keep you guys updated as we go along, even though I kind of like to have an idea what I'm gonna do, so that I know what the vlog is going to be about. I did know an hour ago, but no, I don't know, but I still have a vlog because we're going on the road, so I'm taking you guys with me. Alright, so just stay tuned. If you can see, this is my outfit. I think y'all probably saw me in this dress already. I don't know, I'm not sure. I think so. But let's take you guys on the road with me. Let's go. So guys, this drink is called Applied Pressure. They use white rum and magnum to make it, and if you have a little bit of rum cream, you can put it in it. It's named Applied Pressure.
That's what that name?
Yeah. Applied Pressure. You get touch the drinks? You can put the ice. What this is that will make them apply the pressure for them. So
how long do you have vlogs still?
I will make it serious for 2025.
I think that's the Martin when we have camera and something.
You know, my ceremony never do it them time there.
It never popular. People need a vlog and something, but I you that do it first.
True. I know people don't know that, you know.
You were in St. Martin over by the camera.
Yes. You hear that, guys? People know a long time I tell you now. You put the rum in it already, Tita? Alright, so guys, you start by adding a little magnum. I think I put too much magnum.
What do you need too much of rum?
Then the rum. I not do too much, okay? You know, for mix a liquor, but that's why I said the same. Apply the pressure, because when you're done with it, you're going to apply some pressure. I put a little bit of this in it. The last ingredient is going to be the rum.
Oh, this kind of too?
This one really apply the pressure. So guys, if you can't drink, nobody drink the liquor. Tap.
You want ice?
Ice in there. That's amazing. Guys, are you tell you what name? Apply the pressure if you can't drink. Apply the pressure, don't fall back. Give me all of that, all of that. As you leave him a call back. That I know.
I should let me chicken see where chicken burn up. After rain I come in here, cut boy no cook good. Chicken burn up, you can't get none. Go on. The chicken don't go on here.
There's a this pop up today from the chicken and rice. You can't put it away. She never want to close. Hello. Do you guys have any Hand-sewn products? Yeah. So I am back, as I say, and I don't look on my bust down. I actually look bust down, but that's because I am on the road to becoming a hot girl. Alright, Yes. So as you remember, I told you that there were some products that I needed to get to start my skincare routine in the vlog when I went to link up with Crank Up them. Whenever I get to do it because of that, but I am very determined about my new skincare routine. Items that I said I wanted to get the Salicylic or the Niacinamide from the Ordinary Skincare line, and this, I wanted to try this. I've been trying to get this. Alright, so I decided I'm gonna try on it in Jamaica just to avoid having to wait the extra period, the extra length of time for it to be delivered to me. So I got it, and I got it in the Fontana pharmacy. Someone told me I could get it there, and I actually went and I get it. I actually wanted the cleansing bar, but they didn't have that. They only had the foam wash. This one is the acne foaming wash for face and body, and it has 10% benzoyl peroxide, and it's an acne treatment wash. It's maximum strength, and it says to clear existing acne and help prevent new breakout. Now I don't really have acne, but I do have some dark marks, and I do hear that this can help to eliminate those dark marks. So that's the reason why I got it. It looks like this. This is the new look one, because I think they have a next one. This is the new look one. Basically, acne foaming wash says the same thing on the inside. It's not focusing. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, so it looks like this, guys. So I'm gonna go now update and make you know how that worked for me, because yes, I did not get the Ordinary Skincare as I'm telling you before, but I'm gonna try one more place for that. If I don't get it, I'm going to have to order it. And I didn't get the Molecules product as well. Them just not have that at Jamaica. Anyway, I want to show you guys something else that I got. So I got this peppermint scalp care conditioner. I wanted to get the shampoo as well, but guys, them never have it. But I'm going to backstory as to why I got this. So I purchased this a while back. It's called, the brand is Diffeel or Diffeel, different feel. That's what it feels. So I guess it's Diffeel. The brand is called Diffeel. It's made in USA, and it's a rosemary and mint hot oil. So this is a hot oil treatment. I kid you not. It says it's supposed to help promote hair growth, strength, manageability, and shine. It hydrates your dry scalp and smooth split ends. Ever since I've been using this product, my natural hair has been growing tremendously. Whenever I use the hair, my hair does feel healthy. It feels lustrous. It just feels, I don't know, I just feel like it contributes to my hair growth. So when I went and I decided that I was going to try the rosemary hot oil hair treatment, the store had the conditioner and they had the shampoo, but because it was the first time I was going to try this product, I didn't want to get everything. But now that I know that this is working for me, the rosemary and mint hot oil, guys, I'm gonna say I grow my hair now, and I'm not joking, really I grow my hair. I went in the store and I saw the peppermint scalp hair conditioner, and I decided that I have to start trying more of the products in this hair line, seeing as though the hot oil treatment is so effective. So I saw this. It says it deeply conditions hair and helps improve dry, flaky, and irritated scalp. It's infused with peppermint oil to help cool and refresh the scalp, and I'm going to try it. It's only the conditioner. Wish I had gotten the shampoo, but I'm not really kill myself with the shampoo too much, because me normally just like to condition my hair only when it really dirty. Yeah, my shampoo it, but the conditioner is good enough for me. And this, I have a tendency for buy the things them and use them per my wig them, you know, guys, because I like to treat my wig them good. I like to make sure say I put the good things them in my wig them so that them can last and them can look lustrous and them can look nice. Now but that look on that one I busted right now. So I have a tendency for buy the good things them and put them in my wig, but I'm not gonna put them in my wig, I promise them. But just gonna make sure I use them for my natural hair. So I wanted to condition my wig, so I'm gonna get one of them like a regular something here. I have some bundles, guys, I'm gonna sew in. I'm gonna do that in one video, so I'm gonna get for seat. I'm not sure if I'm going to put it in this video or if I'm going to just do it as a video to itself. But I want to make sure that I wash the bundles before using them, because I don't know, nowadays I get paranoid about everything. So I just like to make sure that I cleanse things before I put them on me, and certain energies, I don't know, but just getting very paranoid these days. So I got This conditioner, it's the VO5 Ocean Refresh Conditioner. Everybody's supposed to know this. If you ever get barrel in your life, then you're supposed to know them for them conditioner. Yeah. And I only got the conditioner because, as I said, the whole purpose of me getting this is to ensure that I don't use my good things them and wash the wig them, because I have a tendency for always I do that. So this specifically is to use to condition my bundles before I sew them in. What else I got? I got the cap because I'm going to sew a wig, as I'm telling them I'm going to do a video, so I'm going to get to see it. I got two of these. I got a needle and thread because I realized I'm not a needle and thread, I'm going to sew and bungles. So yeah. What else did I got? I got a small Eco Style gel because I already have a big one, but it's a done, so I'm just get that one out for now because they didn't have the size that I wanted. So I'm really need to get one, so I'm gonna just get it. And I got two of these, but you see one just dropped because the one that I was going to, because the hair that I'm going to use is actually not as black as I want it. It's a 1B, so I'm gonna make sure I'm getting them jet black by using these. So that's all the stuff that I went on the road to get, guys. But I'm gonna go back on the road because I need to top up on my vitamins. I need some probiotics, I need some vitamin C, I need iron, I need B12, I need magnesium. There's a few items that I need to stock up on for this holiday season. So I'm gonna come back to you guys again when I get those and the rest of my skincare products. Alright, so that's it for now. See you guys in the next clip. Bye.
God. I saw this. Babe, watch it now. She have vlog. People, she have vlog and she doesn't have the camera. Wrap up the camera. Can't believe it. That me and say. That yeah, I go to my love. I go to my love. Look at myself in a vlog and say yo. Now come here. Me and say.
You don't know the girl put up on the sandwich outside live boss.
On the live there. Yo.
But yeah, when I was there, I should have moved. I just got trying to tell them something. I wish me did more earlier, so I should have come out.
No people,
Laptop come out.
You know, she complain about her outfit. And her outfit look nice. Come on.
You just want to know. You know when I know you could have prepared the day, you could have said to yourself, you man, this fit the occasion. But you have to go nice and fit. So we're not close.
Her outfit look nice, but now I like it. You know, you don't look a black fit, you know. Look, huh?
And red.
Okay, darkness and red.
Darkness and blood. The vampire. It's a girl.
It's a girl.
Cool.
So you say you're going to cut this and shot from the fence scene and whatever.
I know what to do like that.
Hey, but no, I said, it's like an inch, I don't know, so active out there.
Less than 24 hours running tell me what it is.
Yeah, you know, I seen the game too, like in terms of you, like in terms of on a day. And as a production man too.
As a production man.
That's so bad.
And she knows the other was there. She knows the other was pull off. Work and go out, you know, have to pull
It
off.
never even go like a feed up and thing, but also I go think I love it rough at times.
So I told them I'm big with can go to draw.
Jesus Christ.
She was draw. I'm gonna become like an art and come on. You can always represent Burundi all the time. Big up yourself, Burundi.
They are still, you know?
Two check-ins on them.
Yeah, type shit. Alright, so far there. Alright.
One. Everybody. So anyways, I go check in back to the now. Guys, I'm going to check in back to the now, alright?
Him come from Pop Balloon looking like Bob. Well,
You have Caesar. Hold on. You have Caesar here that sells real organic things, you know. And the man go buy one $2 chain.
get your mustache.
Is it?
The man almost look like Steve Harvey. Brother, what that man?
The man rich.
Caesar rich long time ago.
How do I look? How does he look compared to me about?
No, we don't
Alright,
do
but
that,
a different.
man.
I wouldn't do
We don't have
compare.
two different type of dressing. That's casual.
Same matter, bro.
That's casual. No,
Caesar, when you rich long time.
No, I have yourself, not yourself. But me not just saying, but you not just
casual dressing that man. Yes. That's the way you wear when you go look walk. How casual?
Go back to school. The man said this a casual.
Ladies.
Something alright. Yo.
All my females.
Something alright.
Yeah, that's what we're trying. That's what we're going to do. That's what we're. Okay.
You're not finished? Rather remove it because you know.
Yeah, you know, yeah, that's promotion. Yeah.
I'm gonna put this way,
So, Malik, you want to go away too?
yeah.
Everything.
Just get some napkin and put.
I like that for me. We drink my juice.
Well,
I can't hide it on that paper.
Yeah, I gotta look like you hide something.
Better mix up mine up here. Want to hear it?
Probably he wants you want to say.
I try them up then.
I'll try them up then.
No, I don't mind. It have the lip gloss on it. See there?
Mine, they can't hear you.
Wow. The AC.
One, only thing I want from you.
I like how you forget about me.
No, she'll come see. Only thing, one, to the end. Start that way, you see. That way.
Sit down. Just everybody have one.
But no, actually,
So just sit
said
down and
Pop the Balloon reunion.
we do that when we stand up. You can walk over. Right, that's it.
Just so, you don't know really so easy. You don't know. Big up Alicia Amor. Go over to our Viva channel, listen to our music, stream it up, the man. We're golden. Bad artists. Cool it. Yeah.
Oh, alright.